Hello, my name is Mohammed Nader and today I will explain the lesson 5.1 work. Objectives. In this slides I will be explaining the definition of work, identifying where work is being performed in a variety of situations, the formula of work and the SI unit, and solving questions using the formula of work. What is work? Work is the energy transferred to an object, the application of force along a displacement. Work is done on an object when a force causes a displacement of the object. Work is done only when components of a force are parallel to a displacement. What is work being performed in a variety of situations? Carrying a box in most cases is not considered work. For something to be considered work, the force you apply and the distance you apply must be in the same direction. In the case of carrying the box, you are using a vertical force to lift it, while you are going horizontally in distance. This means that zero work is being done as the force and the distance are not applied in the same direction. What is the formula of work? The formula of work is W equal F times D cosine theta, where W is work, which is in joules, F is force, which is in newtons, D is distance, which is in meters, and cosine theta is the angle between the force and the direction of motion. What is the SI unit of work? The SI unit of work is joules. Joule is defined as the work done by a force of 1 Newton causing a displacement of 1 meter. Sometimes Newton times meter is also used for measuring work. So we can say there can be two SI units. We can use joules or Newton times meter. Now let's solve some questions. Question number 1. How much work is done by a force of 10 Newton in moving an object through a distance of 3 meter in the direction of the force? First, we will find the given. We have two givens. It's the force of 10 Newton and a distance of 3 meter. So we'll use the formula W equal F times D. We have force and we have distance. So we'll plug in the numbers. It will be 10 times 3 and the answer will be 30 joules. So the work done was 30 joules. Question number 2. A child uses 25 Newton of force in order to move a toy car for the distance of 5 meter. How much work did he use? Again, we will first find the givens. We have two givens here. We have 25 Newton of force and a distance of 5 meter. So we'll also use the same formula, which is W equal F times D. We will plug in the numbers. It will be 25 times 5, and the answer will be 125 joules. So the work done was 125 joules. Thank you.